evening. Welcome to my channel, Cooking with Manang Wilma. Today we have a different venue. We are up at my son-in-law, John, and my daughter, Christy's cabin. And tonight, Christy will be cooking for us. So, take it away, Christy.
Okay, so tonight we're cooking. It's a meal that we get Dinnerly boxes. It's like 3 meals a week that is delivered to our house with the recipe and the portions of ingredients. So that's what I brought up to the cabin, and that's what we're cooking tonight. So we have, it's called beef taco lettuce wraps with pickled onion and cheddar. So you have 10 ounces of ground beef, 2 teaspoons taco seasoning, I don't know how much corn, that much corn, fresh corn, a couple teaspoons of garlic, 1 red onion, and you have to separate a 1/4 cup of the red onion, chopped red onion. This is just chopped white cheddar, some lettuce, 3/4 cup of water, a teaspoon of sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and this is lemon juice. We're supposed to use a tablespoon of vinegar, but we forgot to bring it up, so we have a tablespoon of fresh lemon juice that we're using. So to start off with, we'll brown the beef. Okay, so I have some oil that I'm heating up in a skillet. I'm just gonna add the ground beef and start breaking it up and brown it. A little bit of salt and pepper. And I always add a little garlic powder too. Okay, and while this browns up a little more, we'll go pickle the onions. Okay, my daughter decided she wanted to help us cook, so she's gonna help us with pickling the onions. Okay, go ahead, Jenna, put this in the bowl. There you go. There's the onions. Now, Jenna, I need you to put in the sugar and salt. Put it in the bowl. There you go. And the lemon juice. Pour it in. Okay. And we'll stir it all up. Make sure that all the salt and sugar gets dissolved, Jenna.
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you say hi? Say hi.
Hi.
Say, I'm cooking.
I'm cooking.
Yeah, we're cooking at the cabin.
Yeah, we're cooking.
Okay, so we just set these aside and let them, oh, not yet, Jenna. We'll let this set while we go back and check on our burger. Okay, well, the burger is getting broken up a little bit. We'll go ahead and add the remaining. This is what was left of the 1 onion. We've pickled a 1/4 cup of it. Now we're going to add the remaining onions. Make sure those get all softened up. We'll continue cooking the burger. Okay, the beef is pretty much about getting close to being done. We're going to add the garlic. And stir that in and give it about 30 seconds just until it's fragrant. Okay, now we have the corn. taco seasoning. And last, water. Now you stir this in and let it boil until it kind of thickens up a little bit. Okay, I think the mixture is pretty well thickened. We'll turn this off and transfer it to a bowl. Okay, so we're gonna build our lettuce wraps. My mom is back and joining me.
Okay.
So you get your lettuce. Here, I'll spoon some on for you. More than that. A couple wooden spoons.
It smells so good. I wish we could put the smell in the video, but it smells so good.
Okay, and then you get some, yeah, go ahead, get some pickled onion on there. I'll go ahead and start with my cheese. Sprinkle some chopped cheese on there. This is a sharp cheddar. Pickled onion. My mom knows that I used to hate onions, but I've since grown my palate. Okay.
Okay,
Ready?
there's our.
You want to try it?
What you call this thing?
Beef taco lettuce wraps. It's basically like a taco, just really hot, but with lettuce instead of tortillas.
That tastes so good, and it's so healthy. Everything here is healthy. Good
No
for
carb.
you. No carb. So, see, you could eat healthy and eat delicious food. So,
Okay. Well,
thanks for watching, and please comment, share, like, and subscribe, and see you in my next video.